Hello guys, in our previous class we talked about operation on int and float, while in this class we are going to talk about comparison operators on integers and float. Comparison operators on integers and float, for instance, I and j are any variable names. J, we have less than or equals to, we have greater or equals to, we have equals to, we have not equals to. J is less than or equals to I. J is less than I. J is less than or equals to I. J is greater than I. J is greater than or equals to I. J equals to I. J equals to I is used to test equality test. True if j equals to I. While it's not equals to, that j is not equals to I, is used to test inequality test. Therefore, true if j is not equals to I. That's for the comparison operators on integer and float. The next thing is logic operators on both. For instance, we have j and I are any variable names. We have three conditions here. The first one is what? Is not x. Therefore, true if x is false, false if x is true. Then we have and. Therefore, x and y apply to true if both are true, false if one of them is false. Then we have O. X and Y apply to true if either or both are true. Let's try it and see practically. For instance, 5 is less than 6. You see, it executed true. Let's say 5 is less than or equals to 2. It executed false. Let's see, 5 is greater than 4. It executed true. Let's see, 5 is greater than or equals to or equals to 7. It executed false. That's comparison. We are comparing two values here. For this place, we compare 5 is less than 6. It executed true. Yes, of course. And 5 is less than or equals to 2. It executed false. Let's see. 5 equals to 5. It's also executed true. The condition is satisfied. And the next is 5 is not equals to, let's say, 5. It executed what? False. You see? Let me check the other condition on logic operators on board. We have not, we have and also or. Let me try it and see. Not. Let's see, into parentheses. Let's say 5 is greater than or equals to or equals to 2. Let's see. It executed what? False. This not is indicating negation. That's why if we look at what we did before, here is supposed to what? Execute true. But since we use logic operators, one of it does not is saying not 5 is greater than or equals to 2. That's why it executed false. And the next is an operation. Let's try and see. Let's use parentheses. 5 is greater than or equals to 5, and five is greater than or equals to, let's see, 6. Let me see also. It executed false because and if one of the condition is not satisfied, the result will be false. Both conditions must satisfy before it would execute true. The first condition is satisfied while the second condition is not satisfied. That's why it would execute false. See the condition here. X and Y are variables, for instance, are any variable names. True if both of them, are true. False if one of them is false. That's what happened here. For the or, whenever one of the condition is true or both of the condition is true, it will execute true. Let's try and see. Let me use previous example. 6 is greater than or equals to 5, or 5 is greater than or equals to 6. You see, for the OR operation, whenever one of the condition is true, it will execute true, or both of the conditions are true, it will execute true. We are done with this class. Please subscribe to my channel.